Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is on the 23rd of January. Yesterday, we did a very nice analysis. We're looking for buys above this point. We're looking for buys above this point. Continuation. I remember when we were doing this analysis, the market was around this point. And I told you you could either do impulse entry, stop loss just below here, hoping that the market will go here. But I also say that the best scenario would be if the market comes down to this point. Now at that point, you can take a very good buy. And that is what I did. So myself, I did not take any entry over here. I waited for the market to form a support. The market came down. And from this point, after this candle, I took a buy. I put my stop loss just below this candle low over here. And guess what? We went all the way to take profit one. And then from that point, the market has been consolidating over there, coming down all through the night. So I'm kind of, if I look at gold, yeah, if I look at gold and how I know gold, the experience that I have with trading gold is that gold forms those kind of retracement as when it's looking for impulse moves. You can see over here, consolidation. Okay, let's set just down here. Market pushed, we had an impulse move, then a consolidation for the whole day, impulse move, a consolidation for the whole day, does an impulse move, a consolidation for the whole day, an impulse move, and then comes down, then made a continuous impulse move over here, and then consolidation for the whole night. This one happened the whole night. So kind of thinking that the market would want to do another impulse move over here. And if it does this impulse move, it's going to break the 26, 26, 27, 65 area, 63 area, and probably we may head down to this area. So let's see. Fundamentals. What do we have today is on a Thursday, 23rd. We have the unemployment claims coming in. At 4:30, it's gonna jog the market. Definitely, actually, it's gonna jog the markets. You know why? Because it's actually the first unemployment claims that is coming out after Trump takes office. So let's see. Let's see. And then look at this. A first official speech by Dr. President Donald J. Trump. It's gonna be happening today, 7 p.m. So definitely the dollar is gonna be crazy at this time. So 7 p.m. is gonna be an interesting time for you to trade. The dollar is gonna be jumping up and down at that time. So good. All right. Good. That is great. Go back to over here. Let's remove everything. Let's do a fresh new analysis for the day and see what we got. See exactly what we got today. Yeah, over here. Great. So, like we said yesterday, see, the monthly resistance is almost broken. Oh, not broken actually, almost touched or tapped. The weekly, on the other hand, the weekly, the support is over here. The resistance been broken. It was here. It's been broken now. And the candle has still remained pushed up on top. The daily, when we end the daily, I would say also the daily and the weekly has been broken. So you see the way the market behaves, broke above and goes. But what is this is the most immediate low for the daily. And right now, the highs for the daily, we can call upon that candle over there like that. All right. Yes, something like that. 4 hours. On 4 hours, I'm looking at this low over here on 4 hours. See this? That is where I'm looking at. Of course, we can't ignore this one. I'm gonna draw it over there like that. All right, so that's where we are. You see where we are right now? We are inside this range over here, which is very 1 hour. 1 hour, we'd say we are seated on over there. We are seated on that in as long as far as 1 hour is involved. We have over here. I don't see the need of doing this because to be honest, I don't want to trade inside this point. I don't want to trade inside that zone, but yeah, it is what it is, man. Let's see. 30 minutes falls over there. All right. So what I want to see is probably an impulse move like this one, breaking all through this noise. See, there's too much noise over here, too much consolidation over here. I just want to see a very strong candle push across and probably close above this point, and voila, continuation to the upside. Because I don't really want to talk about buying at this point. There's too much consolidation over here. So anything can happen over here. So to be honest, I'm just going to write this for you as a no trade range. The no trade range. Over here, I'm going to say potential buys. The sells, these are aggressive sells, potential aggressive sells over there, but then we have potential safe sells over here. I'm just labeling the areas first, but I need to go at least a bit further left. Just 1 minute. I need to go further left because I need to pick an area like this one. It's an interesting area. Need to pick that one. You gotta pick something else probably here. Yeah, let me pick it from there. No worries. And yeah, something like that. So yeah, I needed to do that so that at least these are not trade range area. This is an aggressive entry over here. This is a potential sell area. And here we're gonna be looking at TP1, TP2, and TP3 over there. All right. Then here we're gonna be looking at TP. All right, so we do this, and we do this. Good. So just remaining to move them. Potential buys. I think I would go for buys above this area. That would be pretty much okay. Buys above that area. Anything below would be quite a stressful moment. This is the monthly resistance, and this is where the current market is. So at least I want to buy above this week. I want to buy at least above this week. This area can be traded, but actually, you know what? We're going to mark it as aggressive. Yeah. Let's do this. Let's be fair. Let's mark it as aggressive, potential aggressive buys. And remember what we said about aggressive buys area or aggressive areas is there are areas that the winning chances are less than, they're around 50-50 or less than 50. So the reason why we call it aggressive is because there's a chance that the market won't go the way we think it's gonna go. So also in terms of wisdom to trade the aggressive areas is to try reduce your usual risk. Don't use the usual lot size that you use on an aggressive area. Use a smaller risk. Should the market continue going and enters the safe area, now you can add your risk. Okay. That's basically it. All right. We have this one. That's basically what I mean when I'm telling you to do aggressive. I don't tell you to do anything anyway. But when I mean about an aggressive area, like this one now is a potential aggressive sell area. It means that there's a possibility that you enter a sell over here and then it gets over here and then comes back to your stop loss. So you gotta be a bit careful with that. All right. You just ought to be careful with that. Don't be caught pants down. All right, here we go. Amazing. So buys above that point, potential safe buys over here. I'm gonna, yeah, this one is gonna be safe buys. Potential safe buys over there. And we continue. All right, great. Right, so let's keep an eye on this. Let's see how the market will behave over here. And hopefully we get some very good areas where we can actually maximize on our trades. And that's gonna be good. All right. It's gonna be good. Okay, I just want to minimize this one. Actually, nothing much. Yeah, yeah, something like that. All right, good. All right, guys, this is what we're watching, and risk manage well. Trade what you see, not what you think. And let's meet tomorrow. We do a very fresh. Be aware of the speech that Trump is gonna give this evening. Yeah, you don't want to be caught on the wrong side. Bye bye, guys, and take care.